Crossing over. Crossing over means genetic material or genes exchanged between two non-sister chromatids, or genetic material or genes exchanged between two non-sister chromosomes, called crossing over. The crossing over explained with mechanism of crossing over. Generally, gamete mother cells are participated in the meiosis division or in reduction division. In the meiosis or reduction division, two major phases are present. They are meiosis 1 or second one meiosis 2, reduction 1, reduction division 1 or reduction division 2. Here it is meiosis 1 division or reduction 1 division containing 4 subphases. They are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In prophase 1, again subphases are present. 5 subphases are present. They are leptotene, zygotene, Pachytene, diplotene, and diakinesis. From these 5 subphases, in Pachytene phase, crossing over will occurs. Crossing over occurs in the Pachytene subphase of prophase 1 of meiosis 1 division. In Pachytene phase, the chromosomes are in tetrad position. The chromosomes are in tetrad position. In the tetrad position, two chromosomes or chromatids came from the one parental generations. Another two chromatids came from the another parental generations. So these two chromatids, two different types of chromatids are called non-sister chromatids. Non-sister chromatids. In Pachytene phase, the non-sister chromatids are in tetrahedral position. They are close to each other. The tetrad chromosomes are close to each other. During the close to each other, between two non-sister chromatids, capital X structure will be appeared. The capital X structure is called chiasma. The chiasma is formed between two non-sister chromatids. If chiasma is formed in the Pachytene stage, the endonuclease enzyme cut into parts. The chiasma cut into parts by endonuclease enzymes. By the endonuclease enzymes, the two non-sister chromatids are cut into fragments. Here it is the fragments. Two different fragments are ligazed by the ligation done by ligase enzyme. Ligation done by ligase enzyme. Here it is the two non-sister chromatids changed genetic material to each other. Mean the genes are changed between two non-sister chromatids called crossing over. After completion of crossing over, 4 gametes are developed. From these 4 gametes, 2 gamete characters are similar to the parental chromatids gamete. Parental chromatids gamete characters, and 2 gametes are developed by new characters by crossing over mechanism. Finally, after completion of crossing over, 4 gametes are developed. From these 4 gametes, 2 gametes are similar to the parental characters, and two gametes are new characters by crossing over mechanism. Now we discussed about the cytological evidence of crossing over. Cytological evidence of crossing over. Here it is, the cytological evidence of crossing over explained with incomplete linkage. The incomplete linkage is the best example for crossing over cytological evidence. Crossing over cytological evidence. It explained by Hutchinson scientist in Gia maize plant. It explained by Hutchinson scientist in Gia maize plant. Here it is, incomplete linkage is the best example for cytological evidence of crossing over. Now we discussed about how to participate in the crossing over. Here it is, the Hutchinson explained incomplete linkage with cytological evidence of crossing over in Gia maize. In crossing over or incomplete linkage, the parental plants of Gia maize containing two types of phenotypes character. One Gia maize plant containing dominant genes. They are capital C, capital S / capital C, capital S. The capital C gene expressed colored seeds. Capital S expressed full endosperm. It is the one type of dominant Gia maize parental plant. And another parental plant of Gia maize containing small c, small s / small c, small s genes. These are in recessive homozygotic condition. The small c character is shrunken. Small c character is colorless seeds. Colorless seeds. Small s character is means shrunken endosperm. Shrunken endosperm. These two parental plants are crossed to form F1 generation. During the crossing of plants from one dominant parental plant, capital C, capital S gamete is developed. From recessive parental plant, small c, small s gamete is developed. These two gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, heterozygotic plants are formed. The heterozygotic Gia maize plants are expressed colored seeds with full endosperm. The colored seeds done by the capital C gene and the full endosperm character done by the capital S gene. The F1 generation of Gia maize plants are in heterozygotic condition. These are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant of Gia maize called test cross. During the test cross, the F1 generation heterozygotic Gia maize plants are produced 4 types of gametes. From these 4 types of gametes, 2 gametes are similar to the parental characters and 2 gametes are developed new characters. 2 gametes are containing new characters. These are developed by crossing over. Here it is, we observed cytological evidence in crossing over in formation of F1 generation of gametes between 2 non-sister chromatids. Here it is, the F1 generation zygote or F1 generation plant gamete mother cells participated in the reduction division. In this reduction division or meiosis division, prophase 1, again in prophase 1, pocket in phase. In pocket is in phase, 4 tetrads, 4 chromatid thread-like structures are formed. The 4 thread-like structures are called tetrads, chromosomes or chromatids. From these 4, 2 are came from one parental plant, 2 are came from another parental plant. So these chromatids are called non-sister chromatids. Here also non-sister chromatids. From these non-sister chromatids, crossing over will occurs, means genetic material exchanged between two non-sister chromatids by the formation of chiasma. Here it is, chiasma is formed. Chiasma look like a capital X structure. It formed between two non-sister chromatids. If chiasma will formed in the pocket-in stage of meiosis 1 of prophase 1, the chiasma cut into parts by endonuclease enzymes. The chromosomal parts are chromatid, cutting parts are ligazed by the ligase enzyme to form new gametes, new recombinant gametes. The new recombinant gametes are expressed in new characters. So the new character producing gametes formed by the crossing over mechanism. So from the F1 generation, total 4 gametes are formed. From these 4 gametes, 2 gametes are containing parental characters and 2 gametes are containing new recombinant characters. These 4 gametes are crossed with a recessive homozygotic parental plant of gamete to produce F2 generation. In F2 generation, total 4 phenotypes are formed. From these 4 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are in large number. Here it is, 2 phenotypes are in large number. They are developed 8,368 plants in the F2 generation. From these 8,368, 4,032 plants are developed from one parental character, developed as a one parental character. 4,035 plants are developed as a one parental character. These are developed in large number, and 2 phenotypes are developed in less number. Out of 8,368, 149 and 152, these 2 different phenotypes are developed in the F2 generation by the new recombinant gametes. The new recombinant gametes are developed by the crossing over mechanism. Here it is, 149 and 152 plants are new recombinant phenotypes. New recombinant phenotypes. So finally, we can easily identify in F2 generation, the 4 phenotypes will appear. If the 4 phenotypes will appear, the crossing over is completed by the F1 gametes, by the formation of F1 generation gametes. So it is the best example for crossing over mechanism. Here in this diagram, we can estimate the values of linkage percentage also. It is a linkage percentage is equal to phenotypes, parental phenotypes by total generations into 100. Here it is 4,032 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 48.2. 48.2% is capital C, capital S phenotypes, and small c, small s phenotypes are 48.2. These are also estimated by the linkage percentage. The linkage percentage is equal to parental phenotypes 4,035 by 8,368 into 100. The value is 48.2%. Here it is, the parental generations are capital C, capital S and small c, small s. The parental generation capital C, capital S linkage percentage is 48.2 and small c, small s linkage percentage also 48.2. Here it is, the 48.2, 48.2 added total parental generation phenotypes are 96.4. 96.4. Here it is, linkage percentage is exact 100. They cannot produce new offsprings or new recombinants in the F2 generation. If below 100, the linkage percentage is below 100, they can produce new offsprings. Here it is, below 100 means 96.4. So it is not in 100. The linkage percentage not in 100. It is below the 100. So they can produce new offsprings or new recombinants. The crossing overs are 3.6 units. The crossing over percentage are 3.6 unit. It can estimated from the one principle, 100 minus 96.4. 100 is the exact linkage percentage, 96.4 current linkage percentage. It gives crossing over percentage. The crossing over percentage 3.6. The crossing over percentage is also explained with chromosomal map. Between capital C, capital S genes, 3.6 units distance is present. 3.6 unit distance is present. So it is the best example for cytological evidence of crossing over.